क्या एक्शन लेंगे वो एक चीज़ है भाई. So that is the whole.
नहीं, I'll tell you one thing. For example, I'm with a girl, है ना? And she says, she denies. She says, "अबे don't touch me" or "stay away." ठीक है? I won't be able to overcome that thought. मैं off हो जाऊँगा. I'll be like, okay, fine, no issue. But these guys, these rapists or whatever, whoever they are, इनका thinking क्या होता है उस टाइम पे? क्या इनको resist करने पे they get the power? क्या इनको मना करने पे they get the high? What is the reason behind the thought of that ridiculous act they do at that time? This is what the whole movie is all about. You will get to know what is inside the brain of that person. Because I personally, जितना मर्जी कमीना हूँ, जितना मर्जी फ्लर्ट हूँ, जितना मर्जी जो मर्जी हूँ, if a girl will deny me, I won't go ahead. I cannot. But why these people do? So you'll get to know about that in this movie. That's all.
तो जाते जाते अगर यंग ऑडियंस जो देख रही है, why should they watch this movie as compared to other movies which are releasing? So one line about the movie.
W, you're supposed to watch, to believe it, to experience it, and to understand it. It's about yesterday, today, and tomorrow. For that reason, you're supposed to watch W. It's not just about the young audience, but the whole crowd over here. Movie W is all about that.
See, what I can say after watching this movie, you will start even you मतलब अपने आप फैमिली को, अपनी बहनों को, अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को या कोई भी लेडी जो आपके पास हो, you will start respecting her more and more. That's it.
Do you practice it in real life?
Practice as in?
जो आपने बोला.
हाँ, because I have see I have मेरी 6 बहनें हैं. ये मूवी करने का एक सबसे बड़ा रीज़न ये है कि one of them stays in Delhi. तो we went to a mall or something. She said, भैया I want to buy this thing. मैं कहूँ okay bye, I'll pay you, buy. She said, but ये पहन के मैं बाहर नहीं जा सकती. Because अगर ये कपड़ा पहन के मैं बाहर जाऊँगी तो you know some pervert will come. क्या बात है मैडम अकेली जा रही हो, अगर छोड़ दूँ के? This is what happened. So I feel bad about that.
कि आप अपने बहन को तो पहनने से रोकोगे,
हाँ.
लेकिन कोई लड़की पहन के जा रही है तो आप घूरोगे ज़रूर ना.
नहीं, मैं तो उसको रोक नहीं रहा था, मैं तो बोल रहा था पहन. मैं तो उसे बोल रहा था कि पहन ले, I'll buy you the dress. She said I cannot wear because world outside is that sort of a world. I don't want my sisters, I don't want my friends to be, you know, इतना. आप सोचो अगर आप ये कपड़ा पहन रहे हो, अगर आपको रोज़ सोचना पड़े यार ये मैं जैकेट पहनूंगा तो कोई मुझे देखेगा, मैं ये पैंट पहनूंगा तो कोई मुझे देखेगा. It's so frustrating. As a girl, I think, क्योंकि मैं शुरू से लड़कियों के बीच में रहा हूँ, लड़कियों एज इन अपनी बहनों के बीच में रहा हूँ, I can get a little thought what they think and how they feel when everybody is staring at them and all.
अल्टीमेटली क्यों देखे ये फिल्म?
अल्टीमेटली ये फिल्म आप इसलिए देखिए अगर आप अपने सिस्टर्स और अपनी whatever girl in your life, if you love her, you watch this movie and you will love it. This is what I can say. And you can watch me also. That's an extra jackpot in the movie for sure.
W में सिर्फ ये कहना चाहूँगा कि you should watch just because it exists in every one of you. It exists in every male, every female of this country, because we are living in a country which is growing, which is progressing, and W is a film which will bring the change, you know, if we'll all go watch it, because the change is in us and we have to bring the change. Thank you.
Okay. So thank you so much and wish you all the best. So friends, this was the Guy Gang of the film W, releasing on March 14, 2014. In Mumbai with cameraman Paresh Rawat, this is SKD signing off for Bollywood Now.
Hi, this is Abhay Attri and you're watching Bollywood Now.